Okay, this one is called what? Race to 100? Yes, Race to 100. I say 2 markers. However, looking at my board, it's a little teeny tiny, so I might have some seeds instead. But I'm going to try and use the markers to begin with. So it says here that I'm going to take turns rolling the 2 dice. Markers are placed at 0, which is just off the board. Player 1 may choose to calculate the sum, difference, product, or quotient of the 2 numbers displayed on the dice. Player 1 then moves their marker to that number on the chart. So, for example, if player 1 is blue, I'm doing 5 and 3. For right now, I want to get to 100 fast, so I'm going to do 15. I'm going to do the product. So I've moved to 15. And then it's player's 2 turns. 5 and 1. I'm going to do 6. Yeah, see, I need much smaller pieces. Sorry about that. So I got 1 on 15, 1 on 6. And then that just keeps going. So again, it's always product, sum, difference, or quotient, and you're trying to get 100 to 100 first. However, let's say like at some point I'm on like 95 and the other guy's on 82 to end, and so it's blue's turn. So they're on 95. They rolled a 4 and a 3. So if I do 7, I'm over. If I do 12, I'm over. 3/4 or 4 divided by 3, I can't really do that. That'd be interesting to make this kind of into a decimal thing too. You could. But it looks like I have to do 4 minus 3 is 1 and just go to 96. Because I have to be able to land on 100. If I can't land on 100, then I lose my turn. But I can move. So now it's yellow's turn. They're at 6 and 5. Well, I can't go 30. 11, I could go 11 to 93. Okay. So see, at some point you have to land exactly on 100. Okay. So if you go over 100, you lose your turn. And if someone lands at 100 and they get that, then player 2, if player 1 gets to 100 first, then player 2 does get a last turn to see, just so barely. I got to 99 there. So again, it's multiple, or you multiply, add, subtract, or divide each time, and you're trying to get to 100. Have fun.